Desktop 1. Magnifier. Zoom out button. Windows logo module.
Hi students, this is Code Bianc site. We will learn about how to import modules in Python programming, or how to import modules from our Python project. Okay. First of all, you first know that what is module. You first know this because the module is nothing but some mods are already developed some classes or files. We will use that classes, import the classes after use in our project. So the Python has many inbuilt modules is available. The basic I will teach about very basic modules in Python, how to use it. I will teach about that. Okay. There are
Quote. Math.
math module. This first module,
Random.
random module,
Daytime.
This is very basic module, and many softwares has one of the module is definitely available have in the any one softwares. Okay. Okay friends, first how to import the module. First of all, we will write code for the math module. Okay.
Lang.
First, if you want to import the module, you mention import keyword.
I-M-P-O-R-T. Import space M-A-T-H. Math.
Okay. In math, what is math? Math module. This is nothing but the math module already has the. If you use this module, we can able to mathematical programs, a factorial, square root, pi, cell, floor. This is many of the lot of the functionalities is available in the single math module. Okay. First of all, I will show some important important functions. Okay. First, root, square root. You already know that many 10th and 12th the square root already roll on. So how to use square root in Python? Okay.
E-R-I-N-T. Print left parent.
Mention math keyword.
M-A-T-H. Math. Dot.
Math means the mathematical keyword. Square root. Yes.
S-Q-R-T. sqrt left parent.
I mentioned
1. 7.
7. Okay.
17. Terminal 1, comma, power blank. 4.1231056256176176661 PSC colon backslash users backslash account backslash OneDrive backslash documents backslash YouTube. Accessible view 4.123105625617661.
This is root.
Terminal 1. Main landmark. Mod print left parent. Math.sqrt left parent. 17 print left parent. Math.sqrt blank.
Again, next mathematical functions.
P-R-I-N-T. Print left parent. M-A-T-H. Math. Dot.
Factorial.
F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-A-L. Factorial left 5. 5. Terminal 1 C-L-E-R. Clear. Blank. Clear Python dot backslash module dot pi 4.123105625617661. Mainland print left parent. Line feet right parent. 7. 1. Left parent. Print left parent. Blank. Right parent. 5. Left parent. L. Left parent. Factorial. Dot. F. A. C. T. O. R. I. A. L. Factorial. Dot. Math. Left parent. Print. Right parent. Print. Terminal C-L-E-A-R. Clear. Blank. PSC colon. Excessive 120.
120. The factorial is 120.
Terminal 1 comma. Main
Again,
landmark.
if
Module.
you want to find the pi value,
Print left parent. Math dot blank. Print left parent. Math dot factorial left parent. 5 blank.
again,
randint print left parent math
dot
math dot
p
pi
pi.
lang terminal 1 ceil clear lang pipe accessible 3.141592653589793
This value is pi value.
terminal 1
If
comma
you want to round the value, for example 4.5, this is floating value, but the user or software require round value. For example 4.5 round value is 5, so to convert the round, so
lang
that time use this method.
PSC colon max P R I N T print print pride print main landmark print left
Okay.
P R I N T print left parent math math dot
Math set
C E I L ceil left parent 5 dot 7
5
Seven.
dots. The round value is 6.
terminal CLER clear Grid CLER clear use the accessible PYTHON hyphen space python COO excessive number 9 number 8 number 7 lang
This is not another.
Python MOD mod 4 point
The round value.
excessive 6
The round value is 6. Okay. So
main
if you
landmark
want to floor means this is not round value. This decrease the round value. For example, I mentioned 4.7. The floor is 4. If you want to the 5.7, no 5.6 or 5.5, this is not around. It is floor. This is decrease the lowest around value. Okay.
print left parent mat PRINT print left parent MATH mat dot FLOOR floor left parent
Floor
4 dot 7
4.7.
terminal CLER clear use the lang access 4
4. I mentioned 4.7, but this show 4. Okay. This is here.
terminal 1 comma up main landmark
This is mathematical math. This is here math module. This math module is available. Has many inbuilt functions. So inbuilt classes. So you use the math module. So you check it in the ChatGPT or another websites. So mathematical math module functions, inbuilt functions. You will search that. You can see lot of functions is available. Okay. So next is
print left parent
random. The random
IMPORT import space RANDOOM random lang random 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 lang
random. The random import is very important model, because we will using this module we can send the OTP, we can send the temporary passwords, etc. So this is like this is the random is randomly generate the numbers or choices. So this is very helpful in real-time projects. So how to use the small demonstration for this random module, how to use.
PRINT print left parent RANDOM random right parent lang right parent
Random dot
RAND
random
T left parent 1 0 10 terminal 1 CLER clear lang accessory
this is randomly generate the it is randomly generate the integer value. I mentioned 1 to 10, so this time randomly generate the 3. Okay, so again I'm running the code.
Terminal 1, main, terminal ceil, leader, lang, 410.
10. This time is show the 10.
Terminal, main
Again
hand,
run
terminal 1, lang, Python, accessible 8.
8. So
Terminal,
each time run the program, they generate the random value. This is for helpful in password generating or OTP generating, is very helpful for that. So
main
next
landmark,
is
module.py,
random choice.
print left parent, print, print left parent, random, random dot,
Random and random choice.
choice, choice,
Choice
lang, right parent,
of
left parent,
list.
left bracket,
List.
quote, AGATHIYAN, right bracket, comma, quote, SOUMUTHA, right bracket, comma, quote, RANI, Ronnie, quote, comma, quote, Samutha, quote, comma, quote, terminal CLEAR, clear, use it, lang, 4 point Samutha,
Samhita. This time randomly choose the name from the list. So again
main, terminal 1 CLEAR, clear, lang, access Agathian,
Agathian. This time is show the Agathian.
terminal
Randomly
1
choose.
main landmark, terminal CLEAR, clear, lang, PS, accept Ronnie,
Run.
terminal,
So each time the program is running, it is choose random. This is very helpful in the OTP and temporary passwords. So this is very helpful for that.
main
The
landmark,
next is
print
very,
left
very
parent, random
important.
dot choice, print left,
The date and time. The date and time, we can using this module, we can get the time, date, many many daytime operations. So if you want to use that, first import the module.
IMPORT import space DATE TIME daytime
Date
lang,
time, the module name date time. So if you want to get the, for example, if you want to get the today date, so that time I'm create the one variable
TODAY today
today
lang, today equals
equal
DATE TIME daytime dot
date time dot
DATE
date dot
date dot
uh,
TODAY today right parent
today
lang PRINT print left quote TODAY today space DATE date is space lang right parent comma TODAY today term CLEAR clear lang accept today date is 2025-10-04
today date is 2020 25 10-04. Okay,
term main
again
landmark
if you want to get
print
the time,
left parent quote
again I'm create the one
TIME
variable
time equals
time
DATE TIME daytime dot DATE TIME daytime dot
date time
NOW not right parent PRINT print quote
print
TIME time NOW space lang right parent comma TIME time terminal CLEAR clear lang PSC colon accessible view time now 2025-10-04 23 colon 22 colon 28
So this is 11 o'clock, sorry, 10 o'clock. So this is a daytime operation. So this is very important, because if you know the how to import the module, if you will develop create the softwares, because many softwares developing using this, because if you know only import the modules, if you know develop, okay, sorry, if you can develop the softwares, okay. So you understand this how to import the modules. If you have any doubts, definitely you you send the my email, or if you don't you cannot send the mail, you directly directly commanding the YouTube command box. I definitely reply to you. So okay friends, bye.
Desktop 2 magnifiers. 30 settings. Start work. Stop.